Hi friends, it's Kim with Sweet Daisy Creations. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Well, I'm standing in my bathroom, but quickly I wanted to show you these flowers that I picked up from Walmart. These are the ones I was telling you about one day. These are those beautiful cherry blossoms. Aren't they gorgeous? And I've got them in my Farm Fresh thing from Way Done, and it's so pretty. But these flowers, look how full these are. Are these not amazing? Yeah, I've got probably about, I guess there's 4 of them in here, or 5 maybe. And I just kind of spread them out so they're a beautiful little bouquet. Obviously, I'm not going to keep them in here, but I wanted to show them to you. Now, they weren't, they were like $6.98 a piece, but they are very full. Look how gorgeous they are. Aren't they pretty? And I just got them stuck in there. I do have a piece of foam down in there to kind of hold them in place. But anyways, aren't they gorgeous? Oh, I just love them. Look how pretty. And they look so real. You know, the stem, you know, the little stemmy part's brown. So they really look so nice. I mean, they're just beautiful. Anyways, as you can see, I'm standing in the bathroom. And today's the day they're coming to paint. I'm so excited. Let me turn the camera around. I'm so excited about them coming, and they're going to be painting all the walls. I'm so excited. It's going to look so much different in here. We're also going to have the cabinets painted, and oh, it's just going to look so incredibly different here. You just will not believe. I'm super excited. Oh, I'm a little crooked here. Okay, so I have done, you know, all this wallpaper. This part up above the shower was the hardest part to do because the ladder, it was super hard to do anything up over here because of this tub. So trying to get this wall area and around up there, and then it was all the way around the top of that window and above the window, you know, down around that little shelfy area there. And then of course way up here. Oh my gosh, it was so hard to get all that because it was super hard to get any kind of a ladder into this area. And then to do this area up here was super hard too. So that took the longest, I think, part. Just doing the plain walls was a little bit easier. Getting up there was a little bit hard just because you had to reach. And then of course in here, I had to do the bathroom, the toilet area. And this wasn't hard, you know, because all the walls, I mean, the wallpaper was everywhere. I mean, you know, up here. But getting behind the toilet was a job. That was really hard, y'all. It was so hard to get back there behind that toilet. But we're real excited. I've got like all the drawers and everything are cleared out. We've taken everything out of the cabinets, completely empty. So everything's sitting in my bedroom right at the moment. So anyways, they're gonna paint. We weren't planning to do the interior of the cabinets. I'm not sure if we're gonna end up having to do that. Okay, bye. But I wanted to show you here. This is where we've got everything sitting in all over my dresser, all my makeup and hair, you know, hair ties and things like that. My blow dryer, I mean, just everything is in here on the floor. So it's a mess. But I can't wait. We have picked out like a very light gray for the walls. And then for the cabinets, a darker gray. Warm toned gray. So it will go with the countertop as well as the flooring. So hopefully it's gonna look really nice when it's done. I'm excited, and of course then I've got my shelf I want to put up here and decorate, you know, do stuff like that so it'll look nice for, you know, when we put the house on the market. Now, granted, we still have to do something with all these because they're all yellowed, as you can see. So we got to pull those out and somehow get them looking better or find some new ones. My husband's been looking up all kinds of like ways to bleach them and stuff like that, but I don't know how well that's going to work. But let me take you around the other part of the house super quick. There's the thing to do the wallpaper. I wanted to show you what I've been working on. I don't want you to see where I've decorated, but I wanted to show you what I've been doing in here in the wall, on the floor. I want to show you like before. As you can see how dark that grout is, and then like over that way, how dark the grout is. Well, I've been cleaning it, and you can see how clean it is here. And it's not an easy job. I've done most of the kitchen. All this area is finished. And then over here around the sink, I've got all that done. But I still have a few more spaces over in this direction, as you can see. So you can see before and after. Yeah, so what I've been doing is putting, spraying water in the little crack, and then putting baking soda in there. And then I do that, and I let it sit for like 15 minutes. Then I come back with a scrub brush and scrub it, and believe it or not, that's how it turns out. Clean. Looks so much better. Anyways, that's the situation. I got some new rugs. I did put those down, but I've got a lot of grout area to work on. There's lots of spots over here in this hallway, into around the table and such. There's places there. So anyways, so that's what's happening today, y'all. I'm excited. I can't wait to have that bathroom painted. We're also going to do the kids' bathroom. I don't think I've told, I've got all my Easter stuff here. I'm going to go down this hallway. It's kind of dark. Hold on. Okay, we're going to go in the kids' bathroom here. All right, I never took down, let me turn this around. I never took down the wallpaper in here. And they looked at the seams, which you can't hardly see on camera. But they're going to just, what they're doing in the other bathroom too, is priming it with a primer. Then they'll come back over that with a texture, and then the paint. So they're going to do that in here too. I think the only area I might have to tackle is up here in this corner. It's kind of lifting. So I might have to do just this spot here. Take the wallpaper off. Because everything else looks pretty good. And there might be a couple of areas down, like back here, where the wallpaper's lifting. That we'll have to tackle that too. But that's the situation right now, y'all. So, let me turn all these lights off. My daughter just left to go work out. She's gonna go work out with her boyfriend. And I think my doggy just said, "I'm awake, come get me." So let me get him. Hold on. Are you awake? Are you awake? Let me point you down so you can see him. Are you awake, baby? Are you ready to get up? Huh? Are you ready to get up? Come on, baby boy. Come on. Are you coming? I heard you making noise. Come on. Anyways, okay, so today, that's what's on tap for today. I might work a little bit more on my floor. Yesterday, I took all that stuff out of the cabinets and cleaned every drawer out. It took almost all day to do that. It's amazing how much stuff you end up with when you've been living in a house for 17 years. It's crazy. I mean, there was so much stuff. I have a huge bag out in the garage that I couldn't even fit in the trash can of stuff we threw away. So anyways, well, I don't know. Braxton, are you going to come out? Braxton. No, you're not going to come out? All right, well, anyways, that's it. I just wanted to show you the bathroom before, and then hopefully this week I'll have an after for you. I'm hoping that, I'll be able to share the after of what, we've changed and how it looks, and how I can't wait to put some decoration in here. So, anyways, I will see you later, and at that point in time, hopefully I'll be able to show you what's going on. Maybe I'll give you a little progress day by day, because I know they're not going to get everything done in like 1 day's time, obviously. It's probably gonna take a few days to get all this completed, and they have to go get paint this morning, I think. So anyways, I'm so super excited. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Mwah! Love y'all. Bye.